nouns, or sostantivi, or you can also call them nomi. And we are on the second third of your grammar pyramid, so that means we are chugging right along. Okay, nouns. What is a noun? A noun, or un sostantivo or un nome, is a person, place, or thing. In Italian, nouns can either be masculine or feminine, and either singular or plural. How do you know if it's masculine or feminine? In general, masculine singular nouns end in an O, and feminine singular nouns end in an A, although there are many exceptions. For example, il libro, the book, is a masculine singular noun, and you can tell because it ends in an O. La casa, the house, is a feminine singular noun, and you can tell because it ends in an A. There are some irregular nouns out there, so this won't always work, but for the majority of nouns, you can follow along with this. Okay, how do you make a singular noun plural? In general, masculine nouns end in an O, and the O ending changes to an I, okay? But feminine nouns, the A ending changes to an E, okay? Or in Italian, it'd be an O changes to an E, and an A changes to an A. Okay, but let's try not to confuse you too much here. Okay, so for example, il libro, the O, we're just going to use English letters here. So the O changes to an I. Il libro becomes I libri. La casa becomes le case. Okay, the A changes to an E in this case. So the houses now is feminine plural noun.